So guys, I want to start by saying welcome to my channel. Guys, it is a sad time because it's time to say goodbye. Yep, it's time to say goodbye. And I'm taking everything down because it's time to say goodbye. We are saying goodbye to fall. Not all of it, some little bit. I am going to take my whole tree, I'm going to change it. But first, what I'm doing is I am taking stuff down, and then I'm going to bring you a entryway decor. Yes, guys. So that's what we're doing. I have a box here full of florals. I'm talking about like Christmas florals, summer florals. I am going to most likely incorporate greenery, of course, for Christmas because we are going to need greenery. But yeah, guys, I'm saying goodbye to fall. Yeah, guys. Of course, a lot of these greeneries. You guys like my lantern? There she is. My beautiful lantern that I created. You guys, there's a tutorial how I made it. She's tall. I'm still not done with her. I'm going to get some more. It looks leaning to the side because my floor is not even. But I'm going to get more dowels. And I'm going to add 2 on each side to make it look thicker. But yeah, guys, I love it. I think she turned out great. What do you guys think? You know? And she's a tall one, guys. She's a tall one. So this is what I keep her. She will be decorated for Christmas. I will be decorating her for Christmas. I will be doing something beautiful for it. But anyways, how are you guys doing, guys? We are doing wonderful. For those that ask, yes, my daughter is back home. She's doing a little better. Of course, she's in bed rest. This is something that it will have an end whenever God wants, you know. When she gets a donor, we're still praying for that, for a donor for her. So yeah, guys, thank you and God bless you. All of those that have sent me private messages asking me how is she doing. All right. So, here are my beautiful sunflowers. So, I will be placing everything in my box. I also have my lantern. I will be leaving her here. I will leave her here, but I am taking everything that is fall related. The bird, I think I'm gonna put him away too, where he belongs. This is just the box for the florals, so I will be putting that where it belongs. My vase, I will be taking away. So guys, this is going to be a short video. So let's take these items to where it belongs. So guys, I will be right back. And guys, I don't know if you guys noticed in the bottom of my video here, I turn on my membership and my other things in there. Whatever I earn from membership or super chats or whatever, it will be used to provide my daughter a better, comfortable life. because she's going through a lot. And also my daughter do has copay for her medication. Her insurance does not cover all her medication. I will be using that for that. So with that being said, I appreciate if you are take it into consideration helping me with my daughter's condition. From the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. I mean, it's not easy to come out here and tell you guys this and asking for that type of help, but believe me, my daughter's expensive has gotten astronomical expensive. Being and a kidney, as being as a kidney failure patient is a never-ending battle. Hospital stay, all of the sudden she goes and declines in health. So it's a constantly battle, and the bills just keep adding up. But it's nothing we can do. We still have to go on. So I will be taking. I love my whole tree. My whole tree, I have it since my husband and I got married. So let me get some pledge. So it's time to say goodbye to fall. I don't know what I'm going to be doing for decorating for Christmas, but stay tuned for that. I still have fall through my apartment, And like I said, I'm not getting rid of all of it. I'm just going to be incorporating Christmas slowly. I'm not just going to just hop to it. I'm going to take my time. Because like I said, guys, I'll be busy helping my daughter, doing what she got to do. My daughter needs help cleaning her place, even though she lives with her fiance and mother-in-law. She does need help. So, and that's what we do. So, I could do things now at my pace. I said pace. No, my pace. I don't have to be rushing. So, whenever I have a chance, I come and I record. I upload it, put it on Premiere, and you guys are able to enjoy it when it airs. So yeah, guys, that's what we are doing right now. And with that being said, I have to also take care of myself because I cannot get burned out. I cannot get burned out because what's the use for me to dedicate every free time that I have here, which I do. I love creating content for you guys, but I also have to take care of myself. I have to take care of myself. I have some things that are first priority, and unfortunately, I have to do what I have to do, So, but guys, feel free to reach out. Feel free to ask questions. I'm here to help anybody that needs help, if it's in my power. But, like I said, I have to take it one day at a time. I'm not going to be rush. I'm not. And unfortunately, you know, sometimes people don't understand that. But I love you guys. I love you guys. I'm here if you ever want to talk. So let me grab something to clean the glass because I could see, you know, how dust have accumulated in the glass. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, dust accumulates everywhere. So let me get something to clean my glass. One thing that I have to say, which I used in a previous video and actually it choked me and it made me cough, was this awesome product from the Dollar Tree. The trick to this is spray it, walk away, let it air out, then go and clean it. Because if you do it right away, it chokes. It makes you cough. That's what it did to me. So, you know, every time I turn on the camera to record, she goes ballistic. Oh, Lord, hold on. I'm also doing this over here. So, yeah, guys, it's time to say goodbye to it. Yep. I don't know if I'm gonna throw them out or I'm just gonna put them away for next year because this is easy to make. It's just paint 2 pumpkins from the Dollar Tree and voila, you have Mackenzie Charles inspired pumpkin decor. Anyway, guys, I have my bags here, which I show you. Sorry about all the movement. Yeah, you could see there and here. This is my bags. This is just for fall, and some of them are summer in there. This is greenery, which of course I will be putting away because, guys, you guys know me. I love decorating for Christmas, and I go full-blown Christmas decor. So, guys, I hope you watch my door swag that I made. That one turned out gorgeous. I will link the video here and here. You know, either or, I will link that video, guys. That door swag came out gorgeous. I will show you how I make it. And if you missed that video, let me take you with me and show you what it looks like. Because my neighbor saw it. And guys, guess what? She asked me to make one for her. Yes. So I have a client. My first client of doing YouTube. She's a neighbor. She lives here. And she asked me to make one for her. Look at it, guys. It turned out gorgeous. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Yep. I have never done anything like that for anyone. So, yeah. I told her the price that I was going to charge her. She said, fine. And she did pay me half upfront. But that is great. And because I gave her the price, you know, and I told her, you know, I have to purchase the material. She said it's understandable. She said she never had one like that, and she don't see that at the store. So I was like, okay, so okay, I got no problem making you one, but this is what I'm gonna charge you for. And she agreed. And guys, I was so happy. So yeah. And she said she was going to tell her friends, you know, because she likes it. She loves doing the same thing I do, decorating for Christmas. because she wants, mine is big. I use 2 little Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. But she wants one like for me to use the $5 Christmas tree, which I said okay, which I already have. As soon as she gave me the money, I went and I grabbed the materials. So I will be working on that this coming weekend. Yeah, guys, but I'm so happy. I got a client, customer. So, all right, guys. So, like I said, this is my takedown for the fall. Here is my box. Guys, that was a little sneak peek. That, and this is going into the closet in my Vantage. This is Vantage from the 1970s. It does light up, so it's coming out because I'm going to get it clean and I will be getting it ready to sparkle. So let's put this in the closet. You know, this apartment is so small that I barely have any space to do anything. But I manage, guys. I manage. You know? Yeah. I do have a couple of things out. I also grabbed some of my florals, which they are not Christmas related, but I always incorporate them with Christmas, which are my roses. I love red. So I got this one out of the box. You guys see? I gotta make a nice floral arrangement to put in there. And guys, we are in the season of glitter. We will be cleaning glitter into next year. You know that, right? When this thing comes out, it's a mess. Anyway, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always said. This is a little sneak peek of me saying goodbye to it, to fall. Guys, and don't forget, soon you will be changing your class back. So remember that. Yeah, I think it's back. Anyway, you will be changing your time soon. Anyway, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. And always, always believe. All right, guys. Bye-bye.